Greetings and welcome. I am delivering on my promise. Last week, I said we will go international and with a vengeance. We're doing just that. We are going to Hong Kong. For a lot of people, Nokia seems to be out of the game. They say Nokia has left the building. Well, Nokia begs to differ. Fantastic new phones is what they say. We'll try and see whether they can deliver. We'll go to Hong Kong and find out. Let's get started with the Cell Guru Show.
Nokia makes a comeback in the smartphone market with its smallest device. The Nokia 700 also launches the loudest and the brightest phones in Hong Kong. It's not the end of the Symbian era just yet. There is now more to it. After bringing you Symbian Ana phones, it's time to rigging some Bell. Tap to play or tap to share. Nokia now taps in the new technology of NFC for that extra touch for its all-new Bell smartphones.
And now it's time for our cover story. I'm very excited because Nokia literally called this. In fact, I'm not going to sit and do this. This needs me standing. So, Nokia basically claimed that big phones coming from them in Hong Kong. It is a global release, many new phones. But the real biggie, the one that got all of us excited, the super slim, super sleek, very well put together N700.
So you think that Nokia may well be out of the game? Well, then here's your wake-up call. Nokia bowls us all over with its slimmest surprise. The Nokia 700 has a sleek metallic body, strong hardware and a brand new upgrade to Symbian Ana called the Bell. The phone is extremely compact and light with just 9.7mm thickness and 96 grams of weight, slipping easily into the pocket and smaller handbags. It's clean on the left, but on the right it gives you easy access switches for volume, lock and camera. On the top rests the 3.5mm jack and the USB port. The device displays on a 3.2-inch clear black AMOLED touchscreen with Gorilla Glass, which users can customize with up to 6 home screen options. Thanks to the new Bell operating system, you have a fresh look with a redesigned widget that can be added, subtracted or moved according to your convenience. You can even make shortcuts to the main apps. There's a drop-down menu for notifications added with the new OS. The oh my god factor is that finally Nokia moved up to the 1 GHz of processor, making this a small yet powerful device. The smartphone comes with NFC capabilities and comes with a 5-megapixel camera with LED flash and 720p video recording. But once again, for a well-equipped device, it skips a front camera. We wonder. The phone locks in a 2GB user memory with external memory capacity expandable up to 32GB. The 1080 mAh battery offered is a little less from what we expected from Nokia. Also the most eco-friendly smartphone ever, from its high-quality sustainable materials to its efficient use of energy. Many features work together to reduce the power consumption, like the energy-efficient OLED display and the fast and eco-friendly Nokia Fast Charger AC15 that comes with your Nokia 700. Priced at $390 US, the Slim will hit the Indian shelves in the third quarter.
Okay, so that really means the N700, a very interesting phone, good effort out there. Lots more to come from there in terms of phones, products and devices. But right now, I'm going to go into a different dimension. NFC, near field communication. Almost every phone you will buy, a smartphone you will buy from now, will have an NFC chip in it. What does it do? Well, it's going to change your future and we'll show you how.
Tap to play, tap to share and tap to pair. Enter the world of NFC with just one tap. Nokia has introduced near-field communication in all its phones launched in Hong Kong, which is also the part of the new Bell OS. You can now share photographs and files with just one tap from the phone to transfer to the receiver phone. It is quick in transferring the data and you can see the photo on the second phone. Not just this, what got us most excited is the tap to play feature, wherein you can connect two phones with just one tap and start playing. Cool, isn't it? Tap to pair also works to be connected with a wire. Just tap your phone to it and listen to songs or talk without any cumbersome wires. You can disconnect the communication again with just a single tap. The technology seems exciting, but is it too sophisticated for people in India?
You know, the NFC technology is really great because it's so easy to use. I mean, you know, if you can imagine, if you want to transfer some content between one phone and another, all you've got to do is touch the devices together. Now, this is just, you know, it's such a great innovation because it's just so easy to do. So if you can imagine that you're out with your friends, somebody takes a photo and they want to give that photo to all of their friends, all you need to do is touch their devices and the photo is instantly transferred.
The future of NFC is yet to be known, but for now, we totally support it.
NFC, I truly believe that this is going to be a serious game changer. Well, we'll take a break right now, but do remember we are chock-a-block today. 2 more new phones, the 600, the 701, both from the N series from Nokia. We'll tell you the difference between the operating systems from Anna to Bell, and of course our 3G segment, all coming up after the break. Welcome back. This is the Cell Guru Show. Time for me now to take you into 3 different worlds. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me clarify. We've already done the Nokia N700. The other 2 is their taglines for the next 2 phones. The loudest, the N600. The brightest, the N701. Why? Well, we're about to find out.
Looks like Nokia took Jennifer Lopez very seriously indeed. The Nokia 600 is truly loud. Available in bright colors, the phone has a rubber-like texture. A 3.2-inch capacitive touchscreen, the Nokia 600 supports multi-touch input method. The right panel has the volume keys, below which is the button to unlock the phone. Complete with the 3.5mm jack and a USB port at the top, the phone has limited keys just below the screen. Call, home and call end. The rest is all touch, very responsive. The back supports a 5-megapixel camera with pretty good picture quality. It has fixed focus, which is a letdown looking at the current trend of autofocus. The camera is also capable of recording videos at 720p. And at the back is also a massive speaker. The phone packs an audio player, and what makes it special is the built-in FM radio antenna. So no need to plug in earphones to listen to your favorite station any longer. Like the other phones launched, the Nokia 600 functions on the fresh Symbian Bell operating system. It also features NFC, so you can accessorize it with speakers or use other upcoming NFC apps. With just a tap, you can share files, videos and pictures or connect it to speakers. Driving the phone is a powerful 1 GHz processor. The internal memory of the phone is 2 GB, though it can be expanded to 32 GB with a micro SD card slot. With a 1200 mAh battery, the Nokia 600 promises good music playback time. So this Wi-Fi enabled 3G capable handset can certainly set any party rolling. This is where style and performance meet. Slim with curved edges, the Nokia 701 is packed in a metal and plastic casing. On the outside, a stainless steel look gives it quite a rich feel, and the inside has been revamped as well. Working on the latest Symbian Bell operating system, there are 6 home screens you can scroll through, and you can also personalize the screens the way you like. A bright screen, a good display, it has an LCD screen instead of the AMOLED. It flaunts a clear black display screen that produces impressive picture quality even in bright light. It has a 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen with a Gorilla Glass display. Nokia claims that it is the brightest display on a smartphone till date. The right edge supports the volume control, the unlock key and the camera button. The phone is complete with a 3.5mm jack and a USB port at the bottom. Just below the screen are keys to call, end call and home key. The phone boasts of an 8-megapixel camera at the back with dual LED light and impressive quality. Though it lacks autofocus, a secondary front-facing camera allows video calls as well. You can shoot videos in high definition using the powerful camera. The Nokia 701 features NFC that allows you to share content with other NFC-enabled devices nearby. Powered by 1 GHz processor, it is backed by a powerful 1300 mAh battery. Priced at $420 US, we expect the phone to make its way to India in the 3rd quarter.
I'm almost out of time, but I will take up one question that everybody's been asking. So we'll treat it almost like a Cell Guru grill. And that is, what's the difference between Anna, that was the previous operating system on Nokia phones, and very quickly they've moved to Bell. So the difference between the two.
Symbian is alive and well, and we continue to develop. The Symbian operating system today demonstrates the commitment that we've got for Symbian.
Nokia has moved a step ahead. At an event in Hong Kong, it revealed its upgrade from Symbian Anna to the Symbian Bell. So what is the real change? Symbian Anna gave a miss to the NFC, which was the most anticipated feature on the Symbian Bell. Using near-field communication with a single tap on the phone, you can share content between phones. You can play games with another NFC-enabled handset or connect it to speaker wirelessly. A more convenient way than Anna. Notifications are easier to view with the updated OS. A slight influence from the Android, the Symbian Bell has a drop-down notification menu. Drag the menu down to view any updates on your phone. There was no back key on Symbian Anna. This time around, Nokia has also provided us with this much needed button. Now with just a click of a button, you can go to the previous page that you were viewing instead of opening the app all over again. Symbian Anna boasted of 3 home screens. The Bell has doubled it. There are now 6 home screens that you can swipe across, add or delete a home screen, and also customize it the way you wish to. Like the Symbian Anna, the widgets on Symbian Bell are also slightly rounded. You can place them where you wish to and personalize your phone to best suit your needs.